Today, many farmers are using machines developed by technology to simplify the land management process from planting to harvesting. These agricultural machines not only significantly improve farming efficiency, but also help farmers save a great deal of time, money, and effort. Let's step into the world of these agricultural machines together and see how they have transformed agricultural production. First, let's talk about the tomato harvester. In Italy, the tomato production industry is an important economic pillar. In addition to benefiting from favorable climate and soil conditions, various advanced agricultural machines also play a key role. The industrial tomato harvesting process in Italy has been almost entirely mechanized. These machines can efficiently cut tomato plants and separate the fruit from the plant residues. In this way, Italy has successfully ranked as the second largest tomato producer in the world, second only to China. Next is the corn planter, which can plant 48 rows of corn seeds at once. The length of this machine is astounding, allowing it to cover large areas of land in a short time, greatly improving planting efficiency. In addition, it has excellent traction and stability, easily operating on various complex terrains. If you want to own such a machine, you'll need to pay around $550,000. The spraying robot is an intelligent robot developed by a Dutch agricultural equipment company. This robot is equipped with a large, detachable water tank on top and can be remotely controlled via a remote. It can navigate through narrow paths in orchards with agility, quickly completing spraying tasks, ensuring optimal growth conditions for fruit trees. The carrot harvester is a piece of agricultural machinery designed specifically for extracting carrots from the soil without damaging them. With its built-in picking mechanism and separation technology, this machine can separate carrots from soil and green parts like leaves, keeping the carrots clean and intact. The steam tractor is one of the largest steam-powered tractors in the world. Its massive size and powerful engine are truly impressive. Manufactured by Anderson Industries in the United States, this tractor can pull up to 44 tons, showcasing its incredible pulling power. Drones have become an essential part of modern agriculture. These drones can be equipped with water tanks and used for tasks such as planting and pesticide spraying. They can cover vast areas of land, increasing efficiency and reducing labor costs. With GPS systems for precise positioning and control, drones can operate along preset routes, ensuring work quality and efficiency. Then we have the corn harvester, a heavy-duty machine designed for corn harvesting. It features efficient cutting and separation functions, capable of cutting corn stalks, separating corn kernels from the cob, and husking them all in one process. After several stages, clean corn kernels are transferred to a nearby truck, while chopped corn stalks are discharged from the rear. The apple harvester uses a continuous harvesting method, navigating through tree canopies and picking fruit. This machine is equipped with continuously operating grippers that quickly pluck apples from the trees and transfer them to a nearby tractor. The peanut harvester is designed specifically to dig and turn peanuts from the soil. It can extract peanuts from the ground and divide them into piles for drying in a short time. Once dried, another harvester collects and processes the peanuts. Finally, the watermelon harvester, pulled by a tractor, greatly increases watermelon harvesting efficiency. With advanced design and technology, this machine ensures that watermelons remain undamaged during the harvesting process. Farmers simply follow the machine, pick the watermelons, and place them on the elevator, which transports them to workers on top of the machine for further processing. In conclusion, the emergence of these agricultural machines has significantly promoted the modernization and automation of agricultural production. Not only do they enhance production efficiency and quality, but they also reduce the labor intensity and time costs for farmers. With continuous technological advancements and innovations, we can expect more advanced agricultural machinery to emerge in the future, bringing even more convenience and effectiveness to agricultural production.